Right then, let's talk about those meals that feel a bit special, a bit posh, shall we? The kind of dinner that makes you feel like you've gone out to a lovely little bistro. But get this, you can knock it out in your own kitchen, even in your comfies. I'm talking about a gorgeous, creamy, absolutely stunning champagne chicken. Honestly, it sounds all fancy pants, but I promise you, it's one of the easiest, most rewarding dishes you can make. It's about taking a few good ingredients and turning them into something that tastes like a proper celebration on a plate. It's elegant, it's delicious, and you are going to love it. This dish is a beautiful dance of flavors and textures. The real star, the magic ingredient, is that bubbly champagne. It creates this incredible sauce that's bright, it's creamy, and it has this subtle, fruity little hum that is just fantastic. And don't you worry about breaking the bank on an expensive bottle of fizz. Just grab a decent dry Brut, something you'd be happy to have a little glass of while you're cooking. That's my kind of multitasking, that is. This recipe is all about giving you confidence in the kitchen. The whole idea here is to make this process as calm and stress-free as possible. We're going to be smart about it. We'll get the bits that take longer, like the rice, on the go first, then focus on the chicken and that glorious sauce. Right, a happy cook is an organized cook. The secret to a stress-free dinner is all in the timing. We want everything to come together hot and ready to go. Rice and veggies can sit for a few minutes, so we start there. Take 1 cup of jasmine or basmati. Rinse until the water runs clear to keep grains fluffy, not clumpy. Into a saucepan with water and salt. Bring it to a boil. Lid on lowest simmer for 15 minutes. Don't peak. Then rest 5 minutes off heat and fluff. Perfect every time. Prep asparagus or top and tail green beans. Steam 3 to 5 minutes, or blanch briefly until crisp, tender and bright. Finish with butter or olive oil and a tiny squeeze of lemon. Cover and set aside. Sides done. On to the star. For deep golden crust, make sure the chicken is dry. Moisture steams, dry sears. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Your first layer of flavor. Get a large pan properly hot. Add olive oil and a knob of butter until foaming. Lay the chicken in and give each piece space. Don't crowd the pan. Let it go 5-6 minutes without moving to build that gorgeous crust. Flip and cook another 5 or so until cooked through, firm to touch. Or check 165F, 74C. Rest under a loose foil tent so juices settle back in, and do not wash that pan. Those sticky brown bits, pure concentrated flavor, the soul of our sauce. With the pan on medium, melt in a little more butter to wake the fond. In go the mushrooms, coat them in that buttery, chickeny goodness. They'll drink the butter, then release water. Keep them moving until it cooks off. Keep going to a deep golden brown with crisp edges, about 5 minutes. Smells amazing. Turn the heat down a touch and add shallots. Add the garlic and stir through, soften, don't brown. 1 minute is plenty. Delicate sweet shallot, warm, fragrant garlic. We're layering flavor, chicken, mushrooms, shallots, garlic, building a rich base worthy of a top-notch restaurant. Simple steps, big payoff. Time for bubbles. With mushrooms, shallots, and garlic ready, it's time to deglaze. Pour in about a cup of champagne, or any good dry sparkling wine. It'll bubble, sizzle, and steam. Scrape up every caramelized bit from the pan. Let it reduce by about half. Alcohol cooks off, flavor concentrates, aroma sings. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of flour. Whisk fast to dissolve. Cook the flour taste for a minute. Now the luxury. Half a cup of cream. Stir as it transforms into a pale, silky river. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust. Pinch of salt. Crack of pepper. Your sauce is already stunning. Place the rested chicken back into the skillet and add any plate juices. Don't waste them. Spoon sauce over and let it all mingle for a minute or 2. Need a pop. A tiny squeeze of lemon, then stir in parsley, and if you like, tarragon. Grab warm plates and spoon on a mound of fluffy rice. Lean a piece or 2 of chicken against it. Arrange your greens alongside. Spoon that champagne cream generously. Be generous, don't drown it. Finish with fresh parsley on top. Champagne chicken with rice and asparagus? Absolute showstopper. Pour yourself a glass of champagne and enjoy. You've just made something truly special. Good on you.